All right, we are here at 15713 83rd Avenue East in Puyallup. Looking at a double-wide manufactured home, list price of $129,000. Obviously, a very aggressive price on that, very low. But this is a HUD listing, and they sometimes do this. The things are listed a little bit low. We'll go ahead and go on inside. Take a look around inside, and we'll point out a few areas that do need some repair work and go from there. All right, we're inside the unit now. As you can see, we have a very large living room area, potentially dining space, dining room area, and a fairly large open kitchen. Cabinets are all of that kind of more of a homemade sort of a setup. Let's see if I can get you to... They're all finished, but they are as they are. Wall oven. Then in here we have a little back utility mudroom. Does have a sink, room for washer and dryer. All the hookups are in place. I'm not really seeing any issues with the ceiling in terms of, a leaky roof. I don't know that the roof is in the greatest of conditions, but it is not actively leaking. And we do have a pantry here. Moving back, very light, bright, open floor plan, that's for sure. We'll go ahead and check out back rooms here. We do have 3 bedrooms, one of which is a master. Fairly decent size. A little bit of a drywall area that needs to be finished. The carpet in here is actually in really good condition. I don't see any issues with that whatsoever. I think the laminate in the rest of the house it's just dated. It's been here. It's one of the earlier releases of the laminate, so the quality is not what you find today with laminates. And they didn't do the greatest of jobs transitioning between the rooms. But that being said, we also have some issues here in the floor. And when you see something like this, this is very clearly some past water damage. In fact, all of the drywall in this bathroom looks like it's in rough shape. I don't see any mold or anything like that. There's usually some mold in a bathroom. So it might be underneath the paint. Might need new drywall and new flooring in the bathroom. Okay, and then bedroom number 2. As you can see, it's also a fairly good sized bedroom, but a little bit smaller than the other one. The laminate is, well, I just think it needs to be replaced. It's the older style in all of these rooms. Master bedroom, much bigger space than the other 2 bedrooms. Cathedral ceilings in here. Drywall is all kind of rough throughout the bedroom spaces. Not sure why that is, but just a little bit rough in here. And then we do have a master bathroom. 2 sinks, tub, and a separate shower. Plus, you can't really see it very well in here, but there is a nice size walk-in closet. Goes along with this. I'll show you that. Tub is, I think they call it a garden tub style, a little bit oversized. And then a separate shower unit. Okay, and I think from here what we're going to do is we're going to go outside, and I'm going to show you around the yard just a little bit. And here we are back in the front yard. See, it's a fairly quiet neighborhood. Beautiful day today. Lots of sunshine. You see the yard is, well, I would say about 80% fenced. We do have a large shop out in the backyard. Tool shed. And then here we have the backyard. And there is off-street parking. There's a large deck here. And then a rather large parking pad. I would say it'd easily accommodate 2 vehicles off the street. Room for a garage if you opted to do so. All right, so that is the property. If you're interested and you'd like to know more, please feel free to reach out and contact me using the information you see here on the screen. Have several walkthrough videos available, so if you're interested, just reach out. Until then, happy house hunting.